Finland has ended the high alert that was issued after suspicious drone activity was detected around Helsinki, but the incident has once again raised concerns that the Russia-Ukraine war may now be affecting other European countries as well. According to Finnish authorities, unusual drone activity was observed near the capital's airspace, leading officials to temporarily shut down airport operations, deploy fighter jets, and issue precautionary safety instructions to residents. Although the situation was later declared under control, the incident happened at a time when the war between Russia and Ukraine is becoming increasingly intense. Over the past few days, Russia has launched large-scale missile and drone attacks across Ukraine. One of the most serious attacks targeted a residential building in Kyiv, where multiple civilians were killed, including children. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said after the attacks that Russia's actions would not go unanswered. Soon after that statement, Ukraine carried out drone strikes inside Russia, targeting oil refineries and other strategic facilities. But this is where a major concern begins to emerge. Drone warfare is very different from traditional warfare. These drones can travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers, and during flight they can lose direction because of signal interference, GPS jamming, or air defense systems. As a result, some drones can unintentionally enter the airspace of neighboring countries. That is why recent incidents in Latvia, Estonia, and now Finland are being viewed as signs of a growing regional security risk. There is also another important factor here. Finland is now a member of NATO. And under NATO's collective defense system, any serious threat to one member country immediately becomes a matter of concern for the entire alliance. Because of this, the drone alert in Finland is not being treated as just a local security incident, but as part of a wider European security challenge connected to the Russia-Ukraine war. Experts say modern warfare is no longer limited to land battles or border conflicts, because technology, cyber systems, and unmanned weapons are rapidly becoming the most important parts of military strategy. Experts also say the use of drones in modern warfare is increasing rapidly because drones are relatively cheap, fast, and capable of striking targets over long distances. This is why major world powers are now investing heavily in artificial intelligence-powered drones and automated defense systems, with a goal of reducing human involvement in future wars. However, the biggest danger is that drones can sometimes go out of control and reach countries that are not directly involved in the conflict. That is why many European countries are now focusing not only on traditional defense systems, but also on advanced anti-drone technology. Several security analysts have warned that if tensions between Russia and Ukraine continue to rise, incidents like these could become far more common, especially in countries located close to Russia. The alert in Finland may now be over, but the incident has made one thing very clear. The effects of the Russia-Ukraine war are no longer limited to the battlefield itself. And that is what makes this conflict more dangerous for the rest of the world, because even a small technical mistake could eventually turn into a much larger diplomatic or military crisis. And if the conflict continues to escalate, Europe could face even more security threats in the near future.